Whether you're launching a business, building a career, or leveling up your leadership, Cylentex EDU is here to guide you throughout your journey. Starting with our flagship 8-week course, Foundations of Entrepreneurship. This is more than a workshop, it's a launchpad. From ideation and strategy to marketing, funding, and execution, we walk with you from idea to real-world results. This isn't theory, it's a real-time business launch experience. We also work hand-in-hand with key partners like the SBA, VBOC, and SBTDC, offering targeted workshops for small business owners, veterans, and aspiring entrepreneurs. Our sessions are hands-on, high-impact, and built to deliver skills that matter. Cylentex EDU also provides professional development for colleges, universities, and enterprise teams. From leadership development to AI implementation, we prepare your faculty, staff, and leadership for the ever-changing global landscape. From aspiring entrepreneurs to institutional leaders, Cylentex EDU is building the next generation of founders, thinkers, and changemakers. When people grow, organizations thrive. That's the Cylentex EDU difference. Let's get busy.